For new parents, having a new baby can be quite stressful, especially when it comes to sleep. But here's a product called Ainenne, which is like a baby sleep trainer. There's a few features to this product. Number one, it's got a light, so it offers the nice ambient light, also supplies some white noise to get your baby to sleep. So that's step one, helps your baby get to sleep. But it is also a cry analyzer. So the product can detect by listening to the cry the emotion of the baby, whether it might be angry, hungry, bored. This product can detect that. And that's half the mystery for new parents, working out why their baby's crying. So step number one, your baby's going to sleep better. It's going to offer longer sleep times. It simulates the time of day as well. So depending on whether you want your child to sleep in the afternoon, in the morning, it has all different types of light simulation and stimulation, but also the white noise to help them get to sleep. But the cry detector, that's the technology that will tell you exactly what your baby's feeling. And at the end of the day, the result is a happy and well-rested baby.